Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share Infosys technical interview experience, which is shared by many students. So I have came up with it so that I could share it with you. Before starting, let me introduce myself to those who are new to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Amita Singh and I'm a full stack developer working in Verizon. I have also worked in Cognizant. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. On this channel, you'll find so many informative videos related to companies' recruitment process, their previous year question paper, and interview experience. And if you haven't joined my Telegram group, I will highly recommend you to join me there because that group is private. You can DM me or you can mail me. I'll provide you the link. And that on that group, you'll find so many informative materials and previous companies previous year question paper, and you can discuss with many student out there are many students in that group from different colleges. You can discuss with any student in all over India regarding any interview process or any experience of there in any interview. So it is very interactive group, but the group is very private. So you can join me. For that, you need to ping me or DM me on Instagram, or you can mail me. So let's get started with the Infosys technical interview experience. So I have these many questions from so many students. I got many questions, and some of the questions were so much common. So I concluded it and wrapped it up. So this is first. Tell me about yourself. Start with your introduction. It will start, any technical interview will start with your introduction, and you should know how to introduce yourself. If you don't know, guys, please go ahead and watch my video on introduction. I was already made, because you should know how to introduce yourself in an interview. Now about the project, then why you choose Java in your projects, because some of the student he was using Java in his project. So the interviewer asks why this language in your project. So interviewer may ask you why you choose this technology in your project and why you choose this project. Tell me about your team member and any situation come when your decision, sorry, it's not you, your decision conflict with your team member, and how you resolve that problem. So it is basically scenario based question. It's more of a your HR kind of question, how you can resolve your conflicts between team member. Now, what is data structure and its type? Different between array and linked list. And the interviewer gave one of the student this code. He gave me 5 number and asked me to arrange using decreasing order and print only those which are divisible by 6. So the interviewer asked the student only to write the algorithm, not the complete program. Now the next question, command for writing date in SQL. Now the next question is reverse a string. How can you reverse a string? The basic logic of that reversing of a string. Difference between NoSQL and SQL. What ID you are using, like which ID you prefer for your language or your project. The interviewer may ask you. Now the second thing, it start with the introduction. Tell me about yourself, like that. Then about the basic of Java and Python. So guys, whatever programming language you have mentioned in your CV, the interviewer is going to ask from that only. So the person might have added Java and Python in his resume. So the interviewer was asking the basics of Java and Python. What are the OOPS concept? Explain it with example. What is DBMS? What are the languages in DBMS? So guys, if you haven't watched my DBMS tutorial, I will highly recommend you to go ahead and watch that, because the tutorial was very helpful to so many students. I got the feedback, because if you are preparing for the last moment, then the tutorial is for you, because the tutorial is designed in such a way that it covers all the interview questions, only the topics which will be coming in your interview. So that for that purpose only I made that tutorial. So you can go ahead and watch that. I'll provide you the link in the description box on DBMS. The tutorial is on DBMS. Now the next question, what are join, and explain it with example. What is natural language processing? What are software development life cycle stages? What is IoT? Are you interested in higher studies, like any HR kind of questions? Why Infosys? How would you think Infosys will help you in your growth? Will you willing to relocate? Any questions for the interview? Just like that. So these were the questions which has been asked to so many students. Now in my next video, I'm going to share Karthik Reddy. He is from ECE background. He has shared his experience in very detail. So I will not extend this video. I'll provide his experience in very detail in another video. So for that, please like my video, and you can subscribe to my channel if you think it is helpful for you, and thank you for watching.